Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Google Play Store apps slowly downloading problem on your Android device and how to fix this app. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to tap here on the settings. Now from here you just have to scroll down and you have to tap on apps. From here you just have to select apps. Now either you have to search for the particular app or else you can scroll down and you can navigate. So I'll be searching here Google. Now from here I'll be going to the Play Store. You have to select Google Play Store. Now from here you have to tap on data usage. From here you have to make sure under network settings, network access, mobile data, background data, roaming data, this has to be turned on. This is very important. And once this is, if you make sure these all are turned on, you just have to follow the next instructions. Let us go back to the settings. So this is the settings, and from here now you just have to tap on mobile network. From here you have to tap on mobile data. Now from here you just have to tap on access point names APN. Now from here as you can see that it is GeoNet. So what you have to just have to tap here at the top right, there is a 3-dot menu. Now you just have to tap on reset to default. Once it is done, you just have to go back. We have one more step. You just have to tap on preferred network mode. You have to click on network provider and you have to make sure this is turned on. And once it is done, you just have to do a normal restart and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.